at such a small amount of space. Does that make sense? And then that's why FPS players use larger sensitivity. So for me, it takes 10 inches to do a 360, right? So I have around 5 inches to worry about like the 180s in my range, in my front field of vision, which means in this frontal area, I have an area of like 2 to 3 inches to move my mouse, and it's much easier to be consistent to snap around in because I don't have to deal with like super small distances. Anyway, if that makes sense. It's like a concept people don't really get that I've understood. I don't know why.
Double kill. Teleporter online. We move swiftly.
Uncle Swag says, so Siegel, in simple terms, you can't make the fine adjustments to be as accurate as possible. He says, you can't make fine adjustments for the most accurate as possible aim with super fast sensitivity. I mean, you can make those fine adjustments, it's just a lot more difficult when you have to operate between, like, 1/10 of an inch. I just realized most of my viewers are Euros, they're just like, what are inches, lol, but hey. Anyway, that's enough sensitivity questions. But thank you so much for the donation, man. Is he coming at me? He's 1 HP. I got him.
Justice reigns from above. Heroes never. Oh!
I've got you in my sights. I'm on fire.
We're good. Whew. Anyway, time to keep catching up on donations. Steve Alicious donating 258. Siegel, now you're playing with Shaky. 2 possible on a fair mercy combo. Awkward. Playing 76 every. I mean, right now, I mean, I could play Pharah. I should probably be playing more Pharah in general, actually, because Pharah is really, really good this patch, and because of that, I need to be playing her more just because I need to get better with her mechanically for tournament play, but. So the answer is yeah, I'll probably do it. See what that eliminated font is triggering me? Oh, that's cool. Everyone knew he was coming up too. Holy shit, his sensitivity must be high. Oh no, the teleporter, where'd it go?
Consolidate our defenses on the point. Widowmaker here.
So they've taken a while to cap this first point. We're looking pretty good.
Feeling spry.
Objective lost.
One aimbot this side. Let's break the railing. I can't break the railing! Run! I just want to break the shield. This guy's weak. There we go.
Good shot. Get over here and heal up.
See, amp 76 damage is insane. That wasn't even like a right click. It's just he's just dead. It's ridiculous. There's someone in there. Nope.
Powered up.
Anyway, I still need to catch up on all these donations about sensitivity and other things. I'm working on it. But I gotta play the game at the same time because I don't want to lose. And my Mercy just got... That's an interesting position. I'm probably dead. Yeah, oh, he was weak too, fuck. But Super donated $6. Thank you to all the people you play with who also fuel the meme factory. Also, thanks for the interesting talk the other day. Thanks for the donation, Squirt, and thanks for the chat, man. You so wait, fuck it. Run! I got him. Target down. That's all I care about. Even came out of spawn. Good enough. Andrew donated $2.50. I think he might be incorrect. I've played FPS only for 5 or 6 years and I only use my wrist. It comes from a small mousepad space. Yeah, that is actually probably the bigger, easier explanation. The next one is that I think players or people grew up with like small mousepad space, so they had to use super high sensitivity, which wasn't very optimal for aiming at players. But the other thing too is that mice started advertising more and more about DPI, and people probably got tricked by that to use like the highest possible DPI, which automatically increases their sensitivity by a pretty huge amount, and they probably didn't compensate for it in-game, so they just automatically thought that might have been better or something like that, I don't know. There's lots of like different ways you can look at it. He's gonna blind charge him out. That's interesting. By showing him and I'm dead.
I could jump to you.
I've got you in my sights.
Justice reigns from above.
Old dogs learned a few tricks.
Quit standing around and get up and
I've got you in my sights.
Double, triple.
Peek me. I'm ready. Blind right click.
Good choice. Only gets better with age.
See how you playing the Korean server? Actually, the Koreans are playing the American server. The PTR is NA only right now, and so anyone who wants to try out ranked is coming to here, basically, which is kind of cool. Shit, I didn't think he had deflect up. He can kill me. Oh, never mind. He messed up the combos.
I'm a man on a mission. Stay out of my way.
But Dexter D84 during $5. Hey Seagull, with all these sensitivities, all these questions regarding mouse sensitivity and hand/mouse movement, would you?
I've got you in my sights.
60 seconds remaining.
Would you consider having a hand camera? Probably not, just because I am so dead. Yeah, I would have lived through the McCree, but not the 76 right click. Oh, but ID's here.
My ultimate is charging.
30 seconds.
Oh no. Goodbye, teammates. Oh no, he can take him. He can take them all with that ult. He's got this. I mean, I don't want to do hand cameras because I don't even like webcams, so I think it'd be more. That'd be more for like I don't think this is the type of game for that type of stuff. Unless they got accused for cheating or something, in which case, why not? Kind of funny.